sure you enjoyed that delicious, yummy, gluten-free pizza that was made with the YesYouCan Pizza and Focaccia dough. Well, March is a very, very special month in the Australian calendar. It is Coeliac Week. And YesYouCan wants to celebrate that because we don't want to call this an illness. We want it to be a celebration of taste. We want people to be able to enjoy this, to be able to taste, to be able to touch, to be able to enjoy the flavors of the YesYouCan brand. March 13th all the way until March 20th is Coeliac Week, and there's 355,000 Australians that suffer from this illness. That's 1 in 80 people. The YesYouCan brand is an incredible Australian-owned business that's been operating for the last 20 years. They are pioneers in manufacturing allergen-sensitive and gluten-free products that are incredible, versatile, and so delicious. Everything you see on this table is actually made from a YesYouCan product. Talk about the chocolate mud to make these delicious brownies, or these yummy cupcakes that are actually made with raspberry and coconut, or these lovely gluten-free pancakes. Everything here is made with love, with no nasties, no unnecessary chemicals, because that's what we want to give people that have got an illness. Because at the end of the day, you want food that tastes good, you want food that looks beautiful, and you want food that you can use it for varieties of reasons. So let's celebrate Coeliac Week with YesYouCan. Let's celebrate this beautiful week where we give a friend or a family a wonderful YesYouCan product and say, why don't you celebrate taste with YesYouCan?